This time we have the American version. There's the unit, the American screw, 110 volts. Unfortunately, it's showing signs of usage. It's got a bit battered. It still works. The pins are arranged in groups of 6. In fact, the pins it selects for the 2 wattages, the same as the previous one I've shown. The lamp that fits in is another Lynx type lamp. This one's actually called Duralux, which is the, I'm not sure, I think it's either GE or Osram that make this version, but it's the same idea. You have your 2 pins, you have a glow starter which works in the middle. It still uses a glow starter, be this the electronic type. It's quite a few years old. I actually picked this up in America when I was over there, and that was quite a few years ago. Picked up quite a few other bits as well. But anyhow, let's give it a little whirl and see it working. Once again, the reason they brought these out, as stated on the last talk, was when the bulb packed up, you just threw the bulb away. You didn't throw the starter gear away. Modern bulbs have them incorporated and you throw them away. I remember taking a large grow light apart, and the circuit consisted of 2 units to light up each half of this large lamp. To me it is a great waste, but there we are, that's what they do. But with these, the only waste is the dud bulb. Anyhow, let's see if it works. We'll screw it into the American socket. We'll bring this up to 110 volts. We don't want to go above that because it's only 110. We'll pop the bulb in and let's see what happens. You can see it trying to start. I'm going to increase the voltage a wee bit, and it has struck. Yeah, it's striking at about 120 volts, so there we are, it's all working. We'll try it again. Unscrew it, it turns it off. You'll notice it's a blink. This time it started straight away, so the high voltage boost has come in straight away. Anyhow, this is the tube colour looks very much like a daylight. The other one was more warm white, but this is a daylight tube and it's slightly smaller. I can, in theory, take this one out, and the other tube is slightly longer, it's a higher wattage, and that will still work. It will in a minute. Well, it's just on the threshold of actually igniting, but that one's come up. We'll turn it off again and give it another little try. There we are, straight away it comes in. And the beauty of these electronic ones is that they run at a very high frequency, probably about 20,000 or more cycles or hertz. Must use the word hertz, it's named after a German scientist, Heinrich Hertz, who done a lot in radio research, and his name is commemorated for Hertz because he dealt with radio waves, which is all connected with frequency and that. So there we are. It's a higher frequency, so you don't notice any flicker. With the magnetic type, you do get these cycles. Here in England it's 50 hertz, in America it's 60, and in Japan they have both. Some parts of Japan are 50 while other parts are 60. Anyhow, thanks for looking. Any questions, come back and I'll try and answer them if I can. Thank you for watching.